Friends, in this video for I Thought Wealth, I am going to talk to you about, is it safe to invest any time in the Nifty? Many of us are recent entrants to the stock market. We have all taken to index investing with a lot of confidence. Index investing over the last few years has performed admirably well. In fact, many active funds have not done as well as the index. So, I see a trend where a lot of commentary is oriented towards concluding that investing in the Nifty is a lot simpler and more rewarding than investing in active portfolios. Here, I feel that we are extending trends of the last few years which have a lot of extraordinary circumstances. For example, a lot of gains in the Nifty have come from one or two large business groups of domestic origin. These groups have had very erratic return performance and stock performance over the past several decades. While they have added to their market cap considerably over the years, they have also seen very high drawdowns. Their weightages in the Nifty today is significantly high for comfort. Effectively, as these groups continue on their investment phase over the next few years, it is likely that their market cap may not just see a time correction but also see a real correction. That is something which is inevitable when global flows reverse and we see volatility spike in our markets. When such circumstances happen, the confidence which people have today in investing in Nifty and derived products of Nifty will not be what it is. It will be shaken, and it will be shaken in a way in which the confidence of the investor in the asset class itself will look very weak. It is in that context that one should have investments beyond the Nifty. I am not against investing in the Nifty, but I look at the components which move the Nifty, and when I don't have high conviction on those components, or when I see the governance standards in those components to be not to my expectation, I would add layers of other investments to ensure that if there is a setback on this side, I will be well protected on the other. So effectively, we must strike a good balance and not just focus only on the Nifty. Now, you may wonder, all my PF money is going into the Nifty alone as an equity investment. Have I factored it into my overall investment strategy? So, most of you who have money in the employee provident fund must understand that a lot of your money is now in the Nifty. So, at least in the investments that you make on your own, there is a case for you to diversify and to add layers which will perform when the Nifty does not. So, you need to take an overall approach. You take the complete investment pie, including your provident fund, allocate your Nifty component to your equity component, and then see how you can improve your overall equity component. So, in that sense, the Nifty has its ups and downs. It has components which move it significantly, which we may not like or believe in. So, we must factor in for these things when we construct an overall equity approach. We should not oversimplify our investings just to bet on the Nifty. That is the essence of what I came to say today. Do stay the course with us. Thank you for watching this video.